I want to do a video on Garcinia intermedia growing in a biodynamic system. This tree has been in the ground for a little more than 5 years, and I didn't water it for the first 2 years, or maybe probably the first year and a half, and then I tried some flood irrigation, and that didn't work good. And then I switched over to artesian drip. I have to use it about 4 months out of the year, and the rest of the time, no water required. So far, 5 years. So anyway, this tree produced a fruit last year, and beautiful fruit. I was very excited. It was my very first or second Garcinia fruiting. First one being MB. So here's what the flowers look like. Maybe. There. And I think I got one fruit last year, and I got one flower this year. It must know I don't like it. But it also might have a very long flowering season, and that's the first flower I saw. It looks like there's some other bumps starting on the tree. And it's flowers on these branches that come off the main trunks. This tree is about 7 feet tall, so didn't mind 31.1, kind of on the edge of the forest. Anyway, that's the Garcinia intermedia at Frog Valley Tropical Fruit Farm, March 2021.